Hi dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through a beautiful story theme, The Happy Prince. From this story, you will get a new friend, caring, loving, trustworthy, messenger friend of Happy Prince. Are you ready to see him? Let's start this wonderful and sacrificial journey. There was a prince in a faraway land who was always happy. When he died, the courtiers of the palace made the statue of the happy prince and put it up high in the town. People admired the statue of the happy prince because they believed that prince was always happy and have no sorrows. Be like a happy prince. He never cries for anything. Shall I read it? High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the happy prince. Column means a tall, solid, vertical post, usually round and made of stone. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. Gild means to make something look bright as if covered with gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. Ruby means a dark red precious stone. Sapphire means a clear, bright blue precious stone. Glow means to produce a dull, steady light. Hilt means the handle of a sword. He was very much admired indeed. Admire means to regard somebody with respect. Be like the happy prince. He never cries for anything, said a mother to her little boy who was crying for the moon. I am glad there is someone in the world who is quite happy, muttered a disappointed man. Mutter means say quietly and indistinctly. Disappointed means fail to fulfill the hopes of. The little swallow. Swallow is a swift flying bird with a forked tail. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt to save themselves from the approaching winter. Approach means to come near. Where shall I stay? He asked himself. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. I will stay here, he cried. He alighted just between the feet of the happy prince. Alight means to land. I have a golden bedroom, he said. When he put his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing! Curious means strange and unusual. He cried, "There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining." Then another drop fell. "I must look for another place," he said, and was about to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw. Ah. My dear student friends, the swallow decided to stay between the feet of the statue because he calculated that place as safe and comfortable to take rest at that night. As the statue was gilded with gold, the swallow considered his resting place a golden bedroom. There was no clouds in the sky. The drops of water came from the eyes of the weeping prince. Let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Happy prince, tall column, statue, gilded, bright, sapphires, ruby, glowed, sword hilt, admired, glad, muttered, disappointed, swallow, Egypt, approaching winter, stay, alighted, golden bedroom, curious thing, single cloud, wings, drop. Okay, my dear student friends. See you next week. By Happy Prince Tears. Thank you.